Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up an email on the Namecheap. So the first thing that you'd like to do is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you do that, you will have to go into the URL section and simply type cheap.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this homepage or this main screen of the application, of the website. And of course, you would like to log in into your account by clicking at the sign in option and entering your username and password, just hovering. Then click at sign in to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, make sure to click at the sign up and to actually create your account if you don't have one. Once you did one of those two options, you will find yourself with a screen like this. And of course, you will be on your account. Make sure to have a domain name. Now you'd like to go to your private email option on the left panel here, or you can just go into your account, then click at private email. Both of them works. For me, I don't have any private emails, but for you, of course, you can just go and click at the create mailbox. You'll find it down here. And then you will have to change in the next window, of course, insert the mailbox name you wish to have, its password and mailbox storage, then click at save changes. Please note that if you don't have a free slot for mailbox creation, you will see buy mailbox there instead of create a mailbox in this case. It is required to order one. Of course, once you do whatever you want, you will have just to save the changes and success. Your mailbox has been set up with your email that you just entered. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.